Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and good day to everyone. Thank you for watching my video. So, today I am Muhammad Syed Al Malik with ID 20001532. So today I will explain about the analytical chemistry assignment. So the topic that I'm choosing is a type of the error. So what is the error? Error is the measurements that always involve errors and uncertainties. It is due to the mistakes on the part of the experiment, and the error refers to the difference between a measured value and the true or non-value. It caused by the faulty calibration or standardizations or random variation and uncertainties in result. It is impossible to perform a chemical analysis that is totally free of the errors or uncertainties. The only way to minimize the errors and estimate the size with acceptable accuracy. In the errors, we have the type of the errors, which is a three, which the first is a systematic or determinist error, secondly is a gross error, and the lastly will be the random, or we call it intermediate error. So for the systematic error is caused by the means of a set to differ from the accepted value, and it will affect to the accuracy. Secondly, for the gross errors is to occur only occasionally, are often large, and may cause result to be either high or low. The product from the human error leads to the outlier, and the lastly will be the random or intermediate. It causes data to be scattered symmetrically around the mean value. Next, I will move to the systematic errors. In the systematic errors, it has three errors, which is the instrument errors, method errors, and the lastly will be the personnel errors. For the instruments errors, I will explain. It is about the caused by the non-ideal instrument behaviors, faulty calibration, or by use under inappropriate conditions. Variation in temperature, contamination of the equipment, and power fluctuations are the components that failure. This can be corrected by calibration or proper instrumentation maintenance. Next, for the method errors, it arises from the non-ideal chemical or physical behavior of analytical systems. For the example, the completeness and speed of the reaction, interfering site reactions, and the sampling problems. Slow or incomplete reactions, unstable species, non-specific reagents, and site reaction can be corrected with proper method development. And lastly will be the personnel errors. Personnel errors is a result from the carelessness, inattentions, or personal limitation of the experiment. Misreading of the data, improper calibration, poor techniques or sample preparation, personal bias, and improper calculations of the result are all the mistakes that can be minimized or eliminated with proper training and experience. For the gross error, it causes an experimental value to be discarded. It leads to the outliers and requires statistical techniques to be rejected. For the example, overrun endpoint, in titration, instrument breakdown, loss of crucial sample, and discovery that a pure region was contaminated. Next, for the random or intermediate error, it caused by many uncontrollable variables that are inevitable parts of every analysis. Most contributors to random error cannot be identified. Random error give rise to a normal or Gaussian curve. So for the Gaussian curve is a curve that shows that symmetrical distribution of the data around the mean of an infinite set of the data. The result can be evaluated using statistics and assuming a normal distributions. So that's all from me for the type of the error. I hope everyone can understand with my explanations. For the further your knowledge, you can refer to the quizzes that I have done in the another part. Thank you.